These are also my new eye masks so that you can sleep at night. I have trouble sleeping. So these are pretty big and cover up your face, and they have doggies on them, so come on, it's really cute. Let's check it out. So today I want to talk about 3 brands that I started to try, and was kind of inspired by some of their unique products. So it was ByTerry, and then Jaclyn Cosmetics, which I know is like super controversial, and then it is also Marc Jacobs. So let's talk about it. I bought a ton of new stuff and want to see how it works. Some of it I've tried already, and the ByTerry I have not. And I was super inspired by this company. I learned about it actually from a few YouTubers that I watch. Yeah, so let's dive right in. I want to start with ByTerry. So ByTerry is a French, Paris-based company, and they do ship to the United States, and the shipping was actually pretty quick. They are offering 10% off for your, that's how much they charge you for your email. And then you can also get 50, if you order $50 or more, you get free shipping. And they do have Klarna, if you know what that is. It's like mini loans. You basically can pay your payment out in a couple of installments. And a refer a friend is 20% off, which is nice. So let us begin. This is one of their most popular products from what I understand. It is a brightening CC cream, or CC serum, and it's basically an illuminating primer. It is $91. I know, it's expensive. I hope this thing like does your dishes and, you know, waxes your car after it's on your face. And it comes in 4 shades. It's 4.5 stars, and it has about 268 reviews last time I checked. So it comes in a cute bottle. It has like this, you know, silvery thingy on the top. You take it out. It's a nice weight, glass. I actually haven't seen it. It has a nice pump. So let's read about this very expensive primer. Radiance Boosting Primer, built-in skincare, color corrector, instantly brightens, evens out your skin tone. Wow, that's a lot of promises. It's infused with radiant rose stem cells. This illuminating primer creates a flawless base with no coverage. Optical glow technology blurs imperfections, evens out a skin tone, and neutralizes any redness. Deeply hydrated, skin looks visibly brighter and positively glowing. Ding! Glides on effortlessly, available in 4 shades, like I said earlier, flatters all skin tones and a lightweight serum texture, and is easily buildable. And they also say, enriched with radiant rose stem cells, it boosts your radiance and adds protection to the skin. So what kind of results are we expecting? We're expecting it holds makeup on for longer. Skin looks instantly brighter and positively glowing. It also says that reduces blotchiness, and it is kind of offers a highlight to your complexion. So how do we use this beautiful thing? Okay, it says apply on the entire face alone or before foundation for a glowing skin. Alrighty, we shall be doing that. So now we have that out, and let's take a look at the next product that I want to talk about from ByTerry. So this, I got a mini size because ByTerry is pretty pricey. And this is a hyaluronic pressed hydra powder. Now, the large version, which is 7.5 grams, is $52. And the travel size, which is what I have, is 2.5 grams, and it is $20. It received 4.6 stars, and it has 343 reviews. Now, let's see, why is this so freaking incredibly wonderful? So it says, pressed translucent setting powder contains hyaluronic acid. It's mattifying, it's not drying, it's travel friendly, it controls shine, it blurs imperfections, it's clean, it's vegan, it's perfect. There's a lot more written about this, and I will include it below, but the most thing that stood out to me was that 70% of the ingredients are mineral based, it's vegan formula, and it's a clean product, and it uses this hyaluronic acid because it's a great moisturizer, so, and it's also a great plumper, and your skin looks hydrating, but it's also mattifying. So I don't know, we shall see. It is based on clinical tests, and 100% of the participants agreed it mattifies your skin, it improves your makeup hold while not drying out your skin. So let's open this sucker up. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. I do enjoy a travel size compact though, I have to tell you. So it's super cute. And let's open it. Here we go. Oh, it comes with a cute little tiny puff. Oh, it had the plastic over it, and it has this adorable little puff thingy. Doesn't smell, which is good. Oh, I forgot to sniff the brightening CC serum. Smell is important, you know? Like, I don't like when things are super fragrant. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh my God, it's one of my favorite smells. It smells like rose. Okay, the next thing that I really got interested in from them, ByTerry that is their lash growing mascara. I've never heard of that before. Like, I've never heard of a lash growing mascara. Full size is 8 mLs, which is $48. Travel size is 4, which is what I got. And it is $20. I do like that they have quite a few of their products in travel size, because you can try them out and see if you like them. You know, sometimes you can get allergic to them. Sometimes they're too expensive and you just, you know, can't afford it, and you can try a smaller one, and if you love it, just use that. And it's received 4.4 stars and has 24 reviews. I think this product is fairly new. So what does it say? Packaging is pretty. And this is what the little tube looks like. Also cute. So it says, growth boosting mascara travel size, lash lengthening serum, full volume, intense definition, highly pigmented, clump resistant, and flake resistant, and smudge resistant. It's gonna be interesting to see how this stuff comes off my face. So discover a new generation of mascara that gives you a false lash effect whilst caring for your lashes. The revolutionary Terry mascara features a cocktail of powerful ingredients, including hyaluronic acid. This ingredient is like in everything right now. Collagen, plant protein, and growth activating technology, so lashes look longer, healthier, thicker, and more volumized. Available in 4 color ways, but the trial size is only available in black. There are 4 other shades in the larger full-size version for $48. It does tell you the results, but we just, you know, read. It's the Wonder Mascara takes short, sparse, and fragile lashes to a whole new dimension. The intense, highly pigmented serum-like formula creates longer, thicker, defined, and more volumized lashes for a false lash effect. The lash care ingredients visibly transform lashes day after day. So we shall see. We shall see. I am excited. So these are the ByTerry products. I also bought a whole bunch of other stuff from them because I was so excited when I heard about this company. I got a couple of lipsticks, and they're still available. They're like 70% off right now. I will put them on, and I will, should I show them to you? I guess might as well, right? Okay, so this is very, very cute. It is liquid velvet lipstick. It is in color Bankable Rose. This is the very cute. How many? 2 mLs. So it's, you know, it's almost like a travel size, I suppose, but I'm interested to see what the formula is like, and they are on sale. So if you want to snatch one up just to try it and see if you like it, I suggest you do that. Then the other one is the Lip Shine or Lip Gloss. That is also on sale. It is also like a ridiculous 70% off. It was really expensive, and now it's like $13. I'll link it. This is somewhat of a different color. I love this color personally. It's so beautiful. And the color of this is, but it's a gloss, Flamenco Desire. I can't see very well, and I'm not wearing glasses. So yeah, it's like a really pretty peachy color, very cute. And then the other thing that I got that was discontinued, I was really into trying a lot of kind of like liquid eyeshadows or eyeshadow sticks because I feel like they're easier to put on. Just wanted to play around with them, and you know, it's a lining, it's a liner, it's a waterproof. I got it in color Aqua Mint, but it is discontinued. It is no longer on her website. So, I mean, I'll show it to you guys and I'll use it just because I want to see if the form, she does have other eyeshadow sticks, but they don't look like this. So I'm not sure if the formula is the same. This guy looks kind of like that. Very curious to see what it's going to be like on my lid. And moving on to the next part of the video. So the other company I wanted to talk about to try things out was Jaclyn Cosmetics. Can't pronounce that correctly. Jaclyn Cosmetics. And I know Jaclyn has had, I mean, if you're like familiar with internet drama, there was some drama going on with her, major drama going on with her, actually a few years back. It's literally known like Lipstick Gate. It was crazy. I personally find the products that she's come out with really good. I enjoy the packaging. I enjoy the product inside. And I feel, you know, it was funny. I was reading a story with my kids, and it was the Winn-Dixie story. It's chapter 15. What is the moral of the story, honey? Well, the moral of the story is don't judge people only on the mistakes of their past, you know? And it's like, can we just forgive a person and stop bringing up the past? She doesn't seem to be screwing up as far as I know, as far as, you know, I keep up with the drama. And I think she's really trying. I think she's genuine as far as, you know, being apologetic. She explained the situation. I'm not saying she was right, you know, like nobody saying she was right or that it wasn't a mistake, or that she handled it great. She didn't, but whatever, like give a chick a chance, man. So she came up with highlighters, and she was always known for like highlighters. Her face was always so perfectly makeuped, done. So her highlight, she was glowing. She was like a little glowing head. So when she came up with her own highlighters, I was like, highlighters? I'll get 2. So I did. I got 2. I got them in Iced and Sparks, and I believe they're all sold out, but they will be back, and they will be, she's in Ulta right now, but I bought this on her website. The other thing that I bought from her was a bronzer and a blush duo. I really enjoy that. Like, I really like having a blush and a bronzer duo. So let me show you the packaging. Is this really pretty kind of like champagne gold. And I know there has been some criticism of her packaging. So, you know, I like it. It has a big J on it. It's probably not the easiest to store or to travel with, but you know, Jaclyn is not like it's not a brand of like practicality. She's all bling and kind of goes with her brand, I think. So you open this up, and you have the blush and the bronzer, and I have this in Pink Me Up and Oh Honey. I love it. I enjoy the color. It goes really well with my skin tone. I really enjoy the bronzer. The bronzer is super good, again, with my skin tone. It's hard for me to find a bronzer. I have so many bronzers. I should do a separate video on bronzers and highlighters, because let me tell you. So I have those. Then let's take a look at her highlighters. Again, you know, Jaclyn Bling has the J. Open it up, has a nice big mirror. This is the color. It is gorgeous. It really is very, very super pretty. And this is the color Sparks. This is the other one. And this is Sparks. Very, very cute, very pretty effect. Woo! So let's read a little bit about these products. So highlighters are $29 on Jaclyn Hill website or Ulta, and they got 4.8 stars with over 200 reviews so far. It came out pretty recently. It says this super creamy highlighter gives you light with every swipe, and it's true, in my opinion. Each of our shimmery, buildable shades applies seamlessly onto your skin, so you'll be glowing from any angle. All accent light highlighters are hand poured in Italy using a proprietary filling process, which creates unique one-of-a-kind patterns in every pan. All shades will give you the same beautiful highlight, but each one is like an original work of art. Now let's talk about the blush and bronzer duo. So this guy is $36 and it has 4.7 stars with 230 reviews. Let's see what it says about them. Build a flawlessly blended sun-kissed bronze look. These complementary soft matte bronzer and skin blush shades deliver a soft focus, blurred finish, and brush on like second skin. Each blush and bronzer shade is hand poured in Italy. We already knew that. Using the same proprietary filling process as accent light highlighter, giving them the same silky soft texture with 7 different pairings to choose from. There is a blush and bronzer palette for every skin tone and undertone. Plus, this blush and bronzer duo comes complete with a built-in mirror. Perfect for touch. And it's true. It is. It does. So these are the 3 products from Jaclyn Hill that I wanted to talk about. The next thing I want to talk about is Marc Jacobs. Now, Marc Jacobs, I feel like with him and makeup, it's like hit or miss. But I found 2 things that I really wanted to try. So I tried his Extra Shot Concealer and Foundation it is on sale right now for $27 from $39. I don't know if he's going to be discontinuing it. I hope he's not, because I really, really enjoy it. I've actually been discovering by listening to Wayne Goss, whom I love. I'm going to link all of my 4 favorite beauty YouTubers more below. Anyway, so Marc Jacobs, really nice packaging. Show it to you again. There are 0.54 fluid ounces. It comes in a nice glass bottle, I guess, but it has like a dough applicator. And I really, really like it. I really, really like it. This is the shade Extra Shot. This is the shade Extra Shot. This is the shade Light 150, and it really works for my skin tone. So if you have similar skin tone, I suggest buying it and trying it out. I love it. And then the other thing that I got from him was a Accomplice, which is a concealer, which is this. And it looks like that. I keep all my boxes. I have a problem, you know, like seriously, I don't throw boxes away of anything. That's cute. I'll keep them for makeup. I know, don't judge me. So, and then it just kind of like pops open. It looks like that. Pop it up. Here it is. Very, very cute. I tried it out. I liked it too. Haven't worn it very often. Just tried it once to see if, you know, it's okay. So let's read about it. Foundation. Let's start with this one, the Marc Jacobs Extra Shot. So 4.4 stars with 36 reviews. Conceal and perfect. Caffeine infused. Creamy full coverage. Exhaustion is over. You hear me? It's over. You got this? You're not exhausted. Don't eat it. Wake up your skin with this creamy caffeine-infused concealer and foundation, long wear and crease resistant. Extra Shot serves up natural-looking full coverage to instantly conceal dark circles, blemishes, and redness. And because time is the ultimate luxury, Extra Shot works double time. Use it as a concealer or blend it out as a buildable foundation for a visibly smoother, even complexion. Now comes the Extra Shot infused with caffeine, oat extract, and 5 forms of coconut. I didn't even know there were 5 forms of coconut. The hydrating vegan formula blends seamlessly for skin that looks brighter, revived, and re-energized. Cool. Now let's read about this guy. The concealer. So this is called Accomplice Concealer and Touch-Up Stick, $22. Again, also on sale from $32. I have a weird feeling that they might be discontinuing it. It is sold out at Sephora, but maybe it'll be back. I wanted to mention it because I did enjoy using it. What does it say about it? Well, it says, a long-wearing creamy concealer and touch-up stick, perfect for on the go in a range of 17 full coverage shades. And this is really, like, it's a little bullet. You know, it's just easy to grasp and easy to put in your purse. So I enjoy that part. It says it is a long-wearing creamy concealer and touch-up stick, perfect for on the go in a range of 17 full coverage shades. Accomplice Concealer and Touch-Up Stick covers and blends seamlessly for skin that looks totally natural. It layers beautifully under and over makeup, blurring the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections while hiding dark circles, blemishes, and an even skin tone. Sounds very familiar to what the caffeine-infused Extra Shot Concealer was doing. So these are the new products that I wanted to mention to you today. And I'm going to use these products and going to make another video where I will apply them and wear them and see how they wear and let you know. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much for coming and checking this video out. Let me know if you have any of these products, if you love them, if you hate them. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. I totally forgot to do my intro, but that's okay because I think this video is long enough, you know? Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one.